Seated. Order. On behalf of all present here, I wish now to ask the returning officer to give me the results. Thank you. Honorable members, the report on the results of the counting of votes for the position of the Deputy Speaker are as follows. Total number of ballot papers issued were 339. 339. Total number of ballot papers counted, 338. The total number of invalid ballot papers were 12, meaning that there were 11 that were spoiled, and there was one which had been issued, and yet it was actually stamped on both sides, and it was therefore not used. I now want to announce who got how many votes. Honorable V. Zumula, 54 votes. Thank you. Honorable Annelie Lothriet, 273 votes. Thank you. On behalf of all present here, I wish to congratulate you on your election, Honorable Lothriet, on your election as Deputy Speaker. You now have the opportunity of addressing the House for a few minutes as an expression of your honor on being elected. You can utilize the podium.
ANC stand.
We are standing.
Order, honorable members. 2016. Order. Can we now allow the Deputy Speaker to give her remarks?
Honorable Speaker, Chief Justice, Mr. President, honorable members and guests. Madam Speaker, I would firstly want to congratulate you on your election. I can assure you of my support, and I wish you strength, courage, and wisdom. This is a tremendous honor and privilege, as well as a great responsibility that has been bestowed on me. This is a position that I do not take lightly, and I fully understand the trust that has been placed in me. I undertake to fulfill my duties with care, commitment, and humility. and to be fair and just, and to do all in my power to do justice to this position. I would like to thank you for your trust that you have placed in me, and I undertake that I will do everything not to disappoint you, and that we will make this 7th Parliament the best Parliament ever, and that we will work for the interest of the people of this country. I thank you so much.
Thank you.
Madam.
Honorable Speaker,
Madam.
it's Honorable
Sorry?
Telezi here. I wanted to check whether the Speaker can use her discretion to also announce the results of KwaZulu-Natal.
Order, Honorable Hlabisa. May I ask the returning officers just to move the ballot boxes a bit so that I can see members at the back? Well, Honorable Hlabisa, I would have loved to do so, but
No, it
for
was
all the
Buthelezi.
provinces that have already undertaken their elections, these results are very interesting overall. Honorable members, we have concluded the proceedings for the election of the Deputy Speaker of the House. In consultation with our religious leaders, as it is always the norm, that after the Deputy Speaker has been elected, they usually bless the House. We have asked them to do so after the election of the President. I will now ask the Chief Justice to come and proceed.
Speaker,
Honorable Shibambo?
Speaker,
Yes, I can hear.
no, thank you very much. We have sent you a letter using Rule 119 of the National Assembly rules to request that you should invoke Section 8(9), subsection 1 of South Africa's Constitution to invoke the impeachment process in relation to the report which was tabled here in the National Assembly in relation of Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa's involvement in the Phala Phala case. So we have sent you that letter that is an immediate issue of focus and error of focus, and a motion that should be invoked as per Rule 119 of the National Assembly rules, that the immediate urgent motion that we must attend to should be the impeachment process of Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa for the case which was established to have prima facie basis by a panel which was led by a former Chief Justice of the Constitutional Court. We have also delivered the hard copy letters to you now and the Deputy Speaker of the Democratic Alliance so that you can pay attention to it as a matter of urgency. Thank you very much.
Well, thank you very much, Honorable Shibambo.
Can you please acknowledge the receipt of the letter? Yes.
Honorable Shibambo, thank you very much. Your representative have just delivered an envelope indicating that this is the letter sent to me. I'm not sure whether the Deputy Speaker has received such a letter. However, this matter will need to be deliberated upon. As you know, that there was a process that was undertaken by the 6th administration, and that matter was concluded as such. And therefore, in this instance, once we have considered your letter, we will give you the response on how the 7th administration would like to respond to this matter.